Earlier I used to be working and I was in the corporate organization, so the house was left to my mother-in-law to take care of. I was not a homemaker at all. After I gave up my career, today I take care of the children, I do my NGO work, I counsel, I learn, and at the same time I'm a homemaker. So I'm in fact playing multiple roles now. Okay. And this is more challenging.
It's more challenging.
Yes.
Good afternoon to everybody. I would like to know from the panel of judges, are you finished with your responsibility once you're 50 young?
Oh no way, not at all.
Not at all. So what is it which makes you feel lonely? You're still with your family, with everyone around. What is it which makes you feel lonely? I feel everyone here has this question to ask.
No, who talked about being lonely?
Plenty of them are. After 50 young.
See, let me tell you one thing that I think I would like to answer that question. See, being lonely is a very subjective matter. It's not like you can be lonely when you're 20 and in a crowd of people, and you cannot be lonely when you are alone in a house, 50, not doing anything.
So it is individual.
It is very much individual.
Okay, thank you.
Just, say that वो एक शेर के रूप में आईने के 100 टुकड़े होते देखे हैं, आईने के 100 टुकड़े होते देखे हैं, एक में भी अकेले थे, 100 में भी अकेले हैं. It's really, I mean, it's really something. As she said, you can be lonely as a kid, you cannot be lonely as at 100 either. It's just how you really.
One thing that I would like to tell each and every one of you, and that is my experience, that become your own best friend. Love yourself and learn to love yourself early in life so that when you reach at a later stage, it's not a problem.
And one more thing, like
just 1 minute. You know, she said she's brought up a very beautiful thing. I'm also a motivational speaker. So on that basis, when we talk about this, what we always say is, unless you love yourself, how can you ever expect that anybody else will come and love you? So if I love myself, if I can look at the mirror and smile and say, oh, I'm pretty, or if I can just say, oh, I'm good, it's only then that, it's the aura, my aura talks. So you know, if you are lonely, if you feel I'm lonely, you're going to be always lonely because you are not going to go and talk to somebody, and neither is somebody going to come and talk to you.
Yeah, it's more or less about what you feel about yourself. Is that what comes back to you?
Yes. Loving yourself is not being selfish.
Yeah,
absolutely.
Not at all.
And that is why I think somewhere it came up that after a certain age, whether it is 50 or 40 or 60, the moment you are able to say, okay, it doesn't, I don't care what the world is saying. I'm going to do what I believe is right.
we are social animals, we live in a society. And
Sure.
we have to be careful what
No
we
way.
talk.
See,
I guess at age 50 we say who cares?
no. I see. Who cares does not mean that you don't care about people. Who cares mean that you don't care about the, frivolous things. Like, you're not bothered. Like, supposing I will tell you a very this thing. I have been born and brought up in Delhi, and you know how Delhi society is. If you're going for a party and if you're not dressed up in your best finery and you're not wearing 4 sets in your neck, people are not going to look at you because they'll say, oh, iske paas hai nahi. And that time when my mother-in-law used to say that you wear it, and I used to tell her, Mummy, 4 bag में डालकर ले जाओ, जिससे बात करेंगे उससे खोल कर दिखा देना कि है, लेकिन I'm not going to wear 5. So I don't think so. That means not caring about society or anything. It's just holding your ground as to what you feel right.
बैंक कौन संभाल रहा है?
Good evening everybody, this is Asha Keswani here. I'd like to throw a question at the panel. How has the support factor been at home with you all when you all wanted to start something new?
They've been very supportive.
For the men, I'm sure it has always been supportive because they're men supposed to do that. But I would like to throw...
And they taught us about the WhatsApp and everything. They've been very supportive.
I'm not talking about WhatsApp.
At
age 40, Sangeeta ji started all over again. How has the support factor been at home with her?
I'd again say, एक जुनून चाहिए मन में. You know, it is tough initially because everybody is used to the pampering that one is giving. कि हाथ में लाके प्लेट दे दी, सब कुछ everything is एकदम perfect. Suddenly when you start working, you don't have the time to do that much for everybody. So it takes time for others to start accepting that you're not going to be around forever.
And trust me, they don't learn.
But how long did it take you to actually pacify or tell your family members that you're going to do it? You must have got people who must have gone against your wishes, against your this thing. They would have told you you're happy doing what you're doing right now.
It doesn't come easily. And I think somewhere it doesn't come at all because as she said that I would love somebody to just come and give me a glass of water and my cup of tea and my breakfast and my lunch and my dinner and just everything. I mean, for your husband, आप सुबह सुबह उठा के कपड़े उसके बेड पे निकाल के रख देंगे. You kind of take care of everything, every minute detail. And then if you disappear after 15 years of being there, he's not going to like it.
She's being very modest, let me tell you. I still hear, तेरे हाथ का पराठा खाए हुए इतने दिन हो गए. I said, so the maid makes it better than I do.
No, but then that is, I think, somewhere you have to say it's about accepting oneself, which has to come more than acceptance that others give you. The moment you start accepting yourself, it's not wrong for you not doing this for the other person, because the biggest guilt that we as women face is, how can I not be doing it? Coming from a Madhu family, that's what I'm saying. That accepting yourself is more than others' acceptance. The moment you start accepting yourself, everything else falls in place. Because then
So you have to stay put with your own idea, whatever comes.
Yeah, and this
You
you
have to
should
be
say you don't
happy.
care.
If you are not happy, then even if you're sitting at home and serving him morning and night, trust me, he's not going to be happy.
Yeah. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Jane Rodrigues. I just want to say one thing. I have this lady say that there are a lot of women who are unhappy at being 50 plus. I'm in a group called the Golden Girls. They're all right in the front. A group of very positive-minded women. And believe me, we've got no time to talk about each other or say negative things about each other. My dad told me one thing when I was growing up. Worry about what the neighbors are saying if they are giving you your food, your clothing and your shelter. If they are not doing it, don't worry about them. We are women. We are Indian women. We fought for the right to vote. Go out and have a good life. Your life doesn't depend on other people. And remember one thing, another thing that my dad said. It is not the duty of your husband, your father or your sons to do anything for you. You're a woman, you go out there, earn your money, buy whatever you want for yourself, live your life. So that's what we all have to do.
I'm sorry, despite the fact that everybody I'm seeing here tends to agree with that. Yes, I'm a woman. I'm proud to be a woman. I'm proud to be making money. I'm proud to be able to take care of myself. But then as somebody else over here also had mentioned out that we are social people. We love to be loved. And yes, I love myself. But I love to be loved. I love to be appreciated. And I love to be taken care of. Why not? I'm an Indian woman.
50 Young, the channel dedicated to us for folks 50 plus and forever young. Subscribe to 50 Young today!
There is no market for short stories. Publishing a book is the most difficult part of it. Can you guide